Renewable technology is a booming industry, and investors are taking note. In this video, we'll explore some of the top areas they're funneling money into. One of the most promising trends happening within the renewables market is its diversity. Looking at patent valuations, there's a nicely distributed pattern of families, portfolios, and valuations, indicating plenty of growth in a market that hasn't yet reached saturation. The biggest cluster of patent families is in the $1,000 to $30,000 range. This shows there are plenty of deals to be made on a simple and small scale. For companies and investors looking to go up a bit in funding, there are still thousands of simple patent families, with a lot of value in the $30,000 to $300,000 range. And for those looking for an even bigger piece of the pie, the number of simple patent families drops a bit, but that only shows that investors are more careful and not necessarily less willing to put serious money into patents. The biggest valuations are for the smallest number of patent families, meaning that these technologies are solid and here to stay. As for the relationship between funding and deal counts, we've got even more good news. Both have steadily increased over the past 10 years. The dollar amount of funding grew slowly upwards from 2013 to 2017, before spiking in 2018. The next 3 years that followed saw a similar pattern, just with more money spent each year, before soaring again in 2022. The number of deal counts has shown a steadier progression year over year, with no huge spikes or dips, indicating that investment interest in renewables is only getting stronger. This is great news for both investors with deep pockets and companies looking to dip their toes into the water. In terms of industry focus, investors favor renewable energy. Although a type of renewable energy, solar energy is strong enough on its own to warrant 2,374 deals. This shows there's enough diversity among the types of industries that VC investors favor that you don't necessarily have to pigeonhole yourself into one category. To learn more about investment areas and opportunities in the renewable sector, visit patsnap.com.